marchons dans la paix.
In the name of Jesus
Au nom de
Christ.
Jésus-Christ. Celui en premier.
Southern Cameroon is going to separate from the Republic. I'm telling you, it's going to happen.
Donc le Cameroun anglophone va se séparer du Cameroun francophone, ça va se
But it
produire
will not
ainsi.
happen in this regime.
Mais c'est le verset.
We declare separation in peace.
Nous déclarons
We declare separation in peace. Southern Cameroon is going to separate from La République du Cameroon, but not under this regime, says the man of God. So, fellow Ambazonians, fellow Southern Cameroonians, Nami Capo Daniel, the Deputy Defense Chief for the Savannah State of the Ambazonian Defense Forces, today I don't come for Una again for number 26 day. Might change this date properly, make it be for the right way. I will be very, very brief. This is just an update from the Savannah States. So, welcome once more for this platform. Nami Capo Daniel, una Deputy Defense Chief for this for the Savannah States. I want to salute all the 7 states for inside the Savannah State. I don't come today for brief una, give una update for which way it happened for the Savannah States, in particularly the great state of Boyo. It done be 2 days ago, we done receive a propaganda video from La République du Cameroon. Then contact me, then send for me a video purportedly being shot in the states of Boyo, in particularly the county of Fundong County. And for that video, it shows say the Ambazonian forces, then for they don't catch the worker the way they want work under the illegal council, Fundong Council for La République du Cameroon. And I go play on the video. But when they be seen with that video, the person who is saying he claims he been at the soldier for ground zero, he been from the camp of Abu camp. Now the video this. So now if you see the video where they send for me, then talk say na Ambazonian forces then that for inside the county for Fundong, where they don't catch La République du Cameroon sponsored project where the illegal mayor he done saying worker them hire people they meet and go do work for inside Fundong County. So I take due diligence. I contact our forces then for Abu. Then tell we say they no be involved for any operation. So we no be put out the video. The intention for La République be say the one trick the Ambazonian people them for broadcast this type of action them for claim say our fighter them we no be fighter them, and then me then come back can release these people them show say na the Ambazonian people the Ambazonian people then go kidnap people then they can't release them. So when I be received this video from the person who claims say be from the camp of Abu, I contact our forces them for Abu, and then tell we say they no be involved for any this arrest. When I feel look I'm a well staged event. So this is the activities of the Cameroon government going around staging kidnappings and staging rescue operations to deceive its population that it is winning the war in Ambazonia, and to deceive them. Say the Ambazonian population, it will work with them. From information we will get them, we will release the interview with one of these people that will be involved. Then can round people them from village for Fundong, say me then go work for cancer. When them bring them for day, then put them for stage this drama. We will release more of the communication with the people then for day. When I feel look I'm around a very poorly armed people, then they show all the forces them for day, say then carrying a den gun. And when I see say the forces the way then there for Abu, I know give the general their name, but all of them I think they get about I don't know, but they get at least more than 4 AK-47 for day. When I never see any of those soldiers. Strangely, we go see say Ambazonian forces them. You know, if you get those few amount of forces them, then arrest such huge number of population for inside come put all their cap them, all their things them so much in order. Now I stage action this from La République du Cameroon. Now the propaganda this for La République du Cameroon. 2 days after they send this video for me, they don't go ahead now for release another video. I play the video where the Cameroon military don't release them. So now the other video, this now where the Cameroon military don't release them for sure say that they don't go rescue those people them. You see somehow strangely the people they don't wear back the camouflage dress the way they be done and put them for ground. Like the modus operandi for La Republic, when they carry out operation like this, they usually display the dead body for the Ambazonian fighters and way they don't kill them for that place for rescue these people them. But this one na a stage act from La Republic du Cameroon, na a desperate government we don't lose control for a colony, a territory don't recolonize them, and they lose the war. They don't turn now for propaganda material and such like this one. If you look amongst the crowd, one of the boy we wear Adidas, a blue Adidas, if you identify like one of the boy the way they be staged that kidnapping, now the boy that way just passed, now this here, the camera see wear blue Adidas t-shirt. Now one of the boy the way they be staged, yes, neither they go for front day. If it's the camera and go in front day, you see it. Now one of the boy the way they stage the Ambazonian boy. Look this other one also, this blue t-shirt. The blue t-shirt, if you recognize them, now one of the boy them for the original video. We pass ma play the original video, make una say I'll just put them for under day. When I see the two video them. Okay, when I see this boy with the blue. Now the first video, this way then say Ambazonian forces them. When I see one of the boy we stand up, he wear Adidas t-shirt, blue one. Now he go come pass so for up there again inside that crowd. So if not the same people they say na Ambazonian force, now either they pass with that t-shirt. When I go see he go come pass now again for here. He go come pass again for day with the same t-shirt for the day among that crowd. So how come the same people them way then kidnap, now the same people them way then they for the now the same victim them for the kidnapping. Okay, when I see my pause the video for here. Okay, now that when I see that boy, now the same boy this for down here. I play the video when I see him. Oh, I don't go forward them. Sorry, I the person at the same video. Okay. So when I see the boy for here, for down here, yeah, that blue, this one, the boy for down with the blue blue Adidas. Now the same boy that for up there with the same blue Adidas. So I go take time to cut the video for send them for version for WhatsApp so that all my see them. So now the stage in this way, La Republic du Cameroon, it then stage kidnapping and then stage the rescue for inside the state of Fundong. I want to use this opportunity for call on all the Ambazonian pro-independent forces the way they did for the state of Boyo, all the 5 counties then for Boyo, the Boom County, the Ginicom County, the Fundong County, and the Belo County. So all the forces then for they make una come together, una collaborate, and also una elect a representative. No be county, no be local government, we no get no government, we no want use that name say government. But make all the forces them, I recommend, make the forces them for the ARA, the forces them for the British Southern Cameroon Resistance Forces, the forces them way, the forces way they on the ground for inside the state of Boyo. I appeal for una make una choose a coordinator. We go to coordinate between una for ground zero day. Because at the thing and that will be set up for the all about the structure. When I forget about this idea, say government, no day. When I say when I choose one man, me the coordinate, when I make sure say we work together, make sure say any conflict when I go to resolve them, make sure when I go to focus for one enemy, like Republic du Cameroon. Any help where they come, me go for your own side, me no competition, no day. Me all man focus for one enemy and me no infiltrate them where they for abroad. Me they no manipulate una for fight each other. Or for begin disturb the diplomacy way the frontline leader they struggle for do them for abroad for make sure say me they represent the action them way they go on for ground zero, me translate into recognition for our independence and also a recognition say will not be a force for a political solution. So na thing that I want talk. We also want talk so we don't see for inside Ndop, La Republic du Cameroon they don't begin do Calais for Ndop, they don't arrest numerous people them. The forces them will La Republic du Cameroon then they run deploy forces them for Bambili for try for protect the fund for Bambili where they use it for kill our people them for day for protect Abeti most of those forces them na Northeast people them na Mbororo, we don't know whether they come on up a chat on a outside. They don't increase their patrol for inside Bambili. They harass people them. Most of the forces they nobody even get chop from La Republic. They work as CCs now na chop for market, harass people that for farm for get chop for chop, harass driver that for take money for buy chop for inside Bambili day. We don't see the same security measure the way they want try the struggle for come for the offensive for Bamenda, but they need to succeed. So our Bamenda brigade then still be on the offensive, and we will do our best to give them everything where they need them. The particular weapon, the heavy weapon, we plan for using for the takeover, it already be in place, and we still need for see upgrade them to get enough combat gear for the day-to-day preparation for that territory for the takeover. So now all that I want brief una today. May God bless you now. When I get a good day, we will continue to give another presentation. I think later on in the evening, we will give una a no Talk presentation. We will give una all what happen for diplomacy, including the things the way it happened for Ground Zero, our preparation for Ground Zero, our unity drive for breakthrough, so all we work for the same direction. We also want to thank the forces them for inside the great state of Bui, following the confession of the chairman of the self-proclaimed Bui Council. It don't bring a lot of peace. They be supposed to attack one of the ADF camp them for inside Bui day, but the soldier then decide for back down. That is the right thing. No ADF forces in Bui is not trying to kill any Bui warrior, and no infiltrator should come and manipulate the Bui warriors to go and kill their brothers. We have named Elvis. He is an infiltrator planted there to use you people to kill each other. Now, why that way? No matter which way they do, it only hang for that name. Say, una be government. All man must come for Bui warrior. Una must come under one umbrella. Say Bui warrior. Make all man follow one command structure. But the forces them where they be there for Bui already. They be get their structure. The ADF forces they then get their structure. Una know if you want come for take over them, begin use the name say Bui warrior. All man must come for under umbrella. If truly una want help na all man for Bui, una no forget no problem with any man wey carry a name. Una for do the help all man. But una intention na for bring trouble for day. So one thank the Bui warriors them for behaving well yesterday and stop their attack with the planner. For tell them say nothing no dey like a government. Any group wey dey for them meet them maintain their ID, collaborate with each other against a common enemy. Make una forget all the lies them and manipulation. Any money property we una hold am na a cause of conflict, una return them back. Una make peace with una brother. If we fit do am for Malende, if we fit do am for Moyoka with the Sokadef people, the way they be done manipulate them for diaspora, then for Bui, we fit do the same thing for bring peace, coexistence for inside Bui, so that we will fight against a common enemy. May God bless una. Una get a good day. Una turn up strong for make sure we will fight till this struggle reach its expected end. God bless una.